Everyone, I'm Sri Hari, Product Manager Realme India, and I'm so glad to see all of you. Now let me take you through three of our superheroes today. For Narzo 20, we have put in a lot of finer details that we hope will really strike a chord with young players. The colors are highly distinctive and come in the shades of Glory Silver and Victory Blue. It is for the first time that we have brought the elegant silver colorway to Narzo. Just look at it, I'm sure you're gonna love it. We have used the advanced metal-like paint coating process technology to engrave finer lines into with the angle of light changing. The V shape will also change fluidly, giving it a dynamic look. V stands for victory. The gesture of victory, enjoyed and recognized by young people worldwide, inspires the design of the Narzo 20. The camera module design incorporates a trendy, super cool matrix design. I really love the chic look and eagerly look forward to hearing from you about the new design language of the Narzo 20. After the first sale of the Narzo 10, we understood that the 5000 mAh massive battery was unanimously loved by everyone. But we were born to make breakthroughs. With this vision, we are excited to bring you the first superhero of today, Energy, the brand new Narzo 20. With its ultimate superpower, that is the 6000 mAh mega battery, the Narzo 20 has the largest battery capacity in Narzo's history, offering a standby time of up to 45 days. That is a 15.3% improvement over Narzo 10. Unbelievable, isn't it? In many other scenarios, the massive 6000 mAh battery performs exceptionally as well. Thanks to its superpower, now you'll be able to talk to your friends straight for optimizing the system to vastly improve the battery performance. The app Quick Freeze intelligently freezes less frequently used apps to idle background app power usage, and the screen battery optimization slightly lowers some display effects without you noticing to increase the battery endurance. Then, with the Smart Night Charge Guardian, when the battery is almost full, the phone will turn into an intelligent trickle charging mode, protecting and improving the battery life greatly. The Narzo 20 also provides the super power saving mode, which allows you to select 6 most used apps to be active. The rest will be set inactive under an aggressive power saving strategy. The super power saving mode is a true superstar. It increases battery life without compromising on daily experience. The Narzo 20 also supports reverse charging with up to 5 volts 1.3 ampere power output. So just like a power bank, you can actually charge some other AIoT devices like the Realme Buds Air, the Realme Watch, or other products. We also bring the 18-watt Type-C fast charging that can in just half an hour. And this is 29% of that massive 6000 mAh battery, which is a big feat. Safety is also of utmost importance. With multiple built-in sensors, it provides a comprehensive real-time monitoring of the power level, enabling faster and safer charging. Next, let's take a look at the performance of the Narzo 20. Remember the world's first MediaTek Helio G80 processor in the Narzo 10? A powerful gaming processor that set a new standard by supporting our avid gaming requirements as well as ensuring daily, lag-free and smooth usage. Today, we are thrilled to bring you an upgraded processor for Narzo 20, the MediaTek Helio G85 gaming processor. The MediaTek Helio G85 gaming processor benefits from the Mali G52 GPU. It ensures a blasting performance for hardcore mobile game lovers. Meanwhile, the octa-core CPU features 2 powerful Cortex-A75 cores clocked at 2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz, interlinked by a large L3 cache for improved performance. Talking about the camera, we have truly upped the game here as well. The Narzo 20 comes with a 48 megapixel AI triple camera setup, which consists of a brilliant 48 megapixel, 119-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and an interesting 4cm macro lens. The 48 megapixel primary camera has a large aperture of f/1.8 and it's a big half-inch sensor. With the superior 48 megapixel camera, you are able to take ultra-high definition photos up to resolution of 6000 by 8000 pixels. You can zoom in and out to see amazingly vivid details. The Super Nightscape mode also performs very well. Look at these sample photos. It is highly bright and clear. The 119-degree ultra-wide-angle lens not only allows you to capture 4x more viewing area than the primary camera, but also supports wide-angle distortion correction. The Narzo 20 is equipped with AI Beauty, which supports many features such as face unlock, portrait bokeh effect, enabling you to take stunning selfie shots with its selfie camera. The Narzo 20 offers an immersive viewing experience as well with its large screen. It has a huge 6.5-inch mini drop full screen display. The Narzo 20 features a triple card slot with a micro SD card slot that supports up to 256 GB of memory, so that you never run out of space when you're storing your images, videos or files. Now let's have a short video of the Narzo 20.
Realme Narzo 20. The surge of power. Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
Okay, it's time to wrap it up. The Narzo 20 is a superhero full of energy. It features a huge 6000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging, powerful Helio G85 processor reputed for its gaming performance, 48-megapixel triple camera setup, triple card slots, and many other cool features. Well, I know you guys must be excited about it, but we'll talk Flash, which is the first Pro in the Narzo series, the Narzo 20 Pro. The design of the Narzo 20 Pro brings a fresh look to the Narzo series, comes in two unique colors, White Knight and Black Ninja. Again, to show respect to our globally popular Victory gesture, we have actually created the Victor design for the Narzo 20 Pro as well. Now, due to the unique coating process, when light hits it from different angles, the complete view of the phone changes. It took 8 steps, including screen printing logo, UV transfer texture, dip dyeing, electroplating, and CNC to produce such a profound and advanced design. Why is it called Flash though? Before this September, you've seen 65-watt supercharged charging only on our flagship models like the Realme X50 Pro. This September, we also brought the 65-watt supercharged charging to real youth flagship Realme 7 Pro. Realme believes in the mission to bring flagship and cutting-edge technology to a wider audience. And here we are, the Narzo 20 Pro being the first ever smartphone in Narzo's history to get the industry-leading fast-charging technology. Get ready to enjoy a supercharged lifestyle as Realme ushers Narzo series' charging efficiency into a fresh new era. Thanks to the 65-watt super dart charge, the 4500 mAh battery of the Narzo 20 Pro can go from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes. That's pretty astoundingly fast. As the chart shows, the 65-watt super dart charge reveals an incredible speed from the very beginning, charging 14% in just 3 minutes, 23% in 5 minutes, and 41% in 10 minutes. In fact, in 15 minutes, you'll get to 56%. A remarkable superpower, isn't it? With only 3 minutes of charge on the 65-watt super dart charge, your phone will have enough power to call with your friends for 5.7 hours, listen to music for 10 hours, even play 3 rounds of a game. With a high current, low voltage solution, which is safer and cooler than other solutions in the industry, you can enjoy the lightning fast speed of super dart charge and play a game, surf the internet on your phone, or watch a video at the same time. In fact, if you want to try it, when charging, you'll find that the phone will gain up to 47% battery level even while you're gaming for half an hour. Moreover, the 65-watt super dart charge is also compatible with power delivery and QC fast charging protocols. To support 65-watt super dart charging, the 4500 mAh battery has also been upgraded with 2 high-rate 3C batteries. 3C means the battery can withstand more charging power. So the 65-watt super dart charger can directly charge the battery with 10 volts and 6.5 amperes under the control of an optimized fast charging algorithm. With the advanced algorithm solution, the efficiency of charging is going to be as high as 98%, which means very little energy is wasted in the process, and little wasted energy also means less heat. To ensure safety while charging, we have also undertaken in-depth measures. The charging system contains smart 5-chip protection and 8 temperature sensors, and together both of them provide comprehensive real-time monitoring of the power level. This is the magic of 65-watt super dart charge, the ultimate skill of the Flash Narzo 20 Pro, the most powerful superhero in the Narzo universe. Now let's talk about power. As the first Pro in the Narzo series for the young players, how can we compromise on the processor? So yes, we are bringing the latest powerful MediaTek Helio G95 processor designed for better gaming performance on the Narzo 20 Pro. Get ready to enjoy the exceptional performance of the MediaTek Helio G95 gaming processor, a significant improvement over its well-established last generation Helio G90T. The G90T processor is a fantastic offering for gaming enthusiasts, delivering powerful performance. That said, G95 is an upgraded generation of the G90T, and it further enhances the performance of the GPU. Let's take a closer look at the G95 processor. Its CPU is a 2+6 structure, so there are 2 very powerful Cortex A76 cores clocked up to 2.05 GHz and a Mali G76 GPU. The G95 processor makes the Narzo 20 Pro achieve an Antutu score that is about 300,000. To ensure that the processor lasts long and is in good condition, we have Inkly. The third skill of the Flash is its ultra-smooth display. The Narzo 20 Pro adopts a Full HD Plus, battery life is long and good. The touch sampling rate is up to 120 Hz, which is critical for those who love gaming. It will scan your finger touch 120 times per second, ensuring that fast response is there with no lag in gaming. Narzo 20 Pro has a peak screen brightness of as high as 480 nits and also supports Sunline screen display technology, which allows you to have a clear and visible screen even on bright, shiny, sunny days. Moreover, the screen is designed with a punch-hole camera for the ultimate full-screen display, which gives the phone an ultra-high screen-to-body ratio of 90.5%, allowing for an immersive viewing experience whether you're watching videos or playing games. Next, let's reveal the fourth superpower of Flash, the high-resolution 48-megapixel AI quad camera with versatile features. The 48-megapixel primary camera comes with a large aperture of f/1.8, which captures more light, making your photos far brighter and highly vivid. With the 48-megapixel mode, it can reach an output resolution of up to 6,000 by 8,000 pixels. Just take a look at the sample photos. They are breathtaking and gorgeous, especially while shooting cityscapes. Besides, the quad camera setup also supports a 119-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and a portrait-style lens. You can use the ultra-wide-angle lens for landscapes and the portrait-style lens for retro-style portraits. The macro lens is impressive with an ultra-close focus distance of 4 centimeters, and you can capture some really interesting microcosms. The Narzo 20 Pro features a 16-megapixel Sony selfie camera with a large f/2.1 aperture and a 79.3-degree field of view. And with AI Beauty, you can capture the perfect selfie for yourself every time you click that picture. Narzo 20 Pro also comes with a triple card slot, and the fingerprint scanner is located on the side power button, giving you a fast, safe, and highly accurate unlock experience. Let's have a short video of the Narzo 20 Pro.
Realme Narzo 20 Pro, the speed of dart. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
Before we move on, here is a quick recap of the incredible Narzo 20 Pro. The Narzo 20 Pro features industry-leading 65-watt smoothest display in this segment, and I believe you will definitely love it. Well, that's not the end. And I know you're expecting more from the Narzo series. Well, presenting to you the all-new Narzo 20A powered by the Snapdragon 665 processor. The Snapdragon 665, as all of us know, is an exceedingly power-efficient processor built on the 11-nanometer process. It has received tremendous response amongst users as it balances the phone's power consumption and performance very efficiently. The processor has 8 cores based on the Cryo 260 architecture, and the Adreno 610 GPU not only makes the overall performance excellent for seamless daily usage, but is also very, very power efficient. The power-efficient Snapdragon 665 processor paired with a massive 5000 mAh battery allows the Narzo 20A to last up to 40.8 days on standby or up to 36.9 hours to give you continuous talk time and 97.6 hours of music listening. Narzo 20A also supports reverse charging for all your AIoT devices. As for the rear camera, the Narzo 20A comes with 12-megapixel AI triple camera setup. It also features the well-received Super Nightscape mode and portrait bokeh effect for everyday photos. You can take stylish portraits with triple camera setup and create fascinating portrait shots with retro and film leakage effects. Narzo 20A features a 6.5-inch mini-drop full-screen display with a classy V-shaped notch, and it makes it an excellent choice for everyone. Now let's have a short video of the Narzo 20A.
Realme Narzo 20A, the rush of performance. Realme smartphone.
First, let's unveil the Narzo 20 Pro, the powerful 65-watt charging smartphone featuring India's fastest 65-watt super dart charge, overwhelming MediaTek G95 gaming processor, 48-megapixel quad camera, 90Hz ultra-smooth display, and many other awesome features for the young players. It will come in 2 variants, 6GB 64GB and 8GB 128GB. The Narzo 20 Pro, price for 6GB 64GB would be 14,999. The Narzo 20 Pro 8GB 128GB would be priced at 16,999. The first sale for Narzo 20 Pro will be on 25th of September, starting 12 noon. It will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com, and the offline stores nearby you. Then now, let's have a look at Narzo 20, best mid-range phone for gaming enthusiasts with 6,000 mega battery, superior MediaTek G85 gaming processor, 48-megapixel triple camera, and many other cool features for the young players. It will also come in 2 variants, 4GB 64GB and 4GB 128GB. The Narzo 20 4GB 64GB would be priced at rupees 10,499. The Narzo 20 4GB 128GB would be priced at 11,499. The first sale for Narzo 20 will be on 28th of September, starting 12 noon. It will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and offline stores nearby you. Finally comes the Narzo 20A, the entry-level gaming king powered by powerful Snapdragon 665 processor, 5000 massive battery, 12 megapixel AI triple camera, packed in a glorious V design. How should we price it? Well, the Narzo 20A also will come in two variants, 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB. The price for Narzo 20A 3GB 32GB would be 8,499, wherein the price for Narzo 20A 4GB 64GB would be 9,499. The first sale for Narzo 20A will be on 30th of September, starting 12 noon. It will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and offline stores nearby you. Now let's have a look at these amazing offers. I'm sure you will get yours very soon. Thanks again for the opportunity to introduce you to these three awesome products designed for young players. I believe you will love one of them or all of them for sure. Thanks again for joining us.